it's Alicia and I'm here to talk you through this layout that I made using the Uniquely Creative kit for July. It's an absolutely beautiful kit. You will love creating with this kit. Let's take a look at how I made this layout. The first step was to cut your photo to fit this circular piece of chipboard. In order to do that, I traced around the edges of basically where I wanted my photo to be, and then I simply just used scissors to follow the pencil drawn lines. The next step is to spray some of the pink misting spray onto your 12 by 12 piece of card, and then encourage it to dribble down the page. The next step is to activate the misting spray with some water in a water spray container. This helps to create the dribbled effect. You can see there, if I spray the water, it makes it drip down more. So it just depends how vibrant you want the colour and how watery you want the colour. The next thing is to ink the chipboard with some black ink. Just trying to get a good coverage. And secondly, going around over the top with the black glitter glue that comes in the kit. So we're doing this for the dream title and also the circular chipboard shape that will go around the photo. You will need to fussy cut some flowers from one of the papers in the kit. They are just black and white in design, so this is a very monochromatic layout. The next step is to get the textured stamp and just add some inking in random spots around your flowers and your photo. Then you're going to die cut some flowers from the black cardstock with the flower die, and then we're just gluing those onto the layout. Now we are up to attaching the photo with some foam tape. We're going to add two of the glass domes that came in the kit into the center of the die cut flowers. You could also add them into the center of the other flowers if you wished. Finally, we are attaching the chipboard to the photo with just some liquid glue. Just taking your time to get the position of the chipboard in the right spot for the photo. We are also going to be positioning our title. You can see that my little M has ripped itself off during my inking and my glitter glue. But it's okay, I can just glue that straight back on and no one will even notice that it did split a little bit. Just carefully piecing that M together and making sure it looks straight. And then I'm just going to glue down a couple more little flowers. Check that they're all okay, and wait for it to dry. And that's the completed layout. I wish you all the best for creating your layout. Let me know how you go. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.